Why Japanese people smell less. The truth behind body odor and culture. Welcome to Japanese User Manual. In Japan, not everything is what it seems. Some customs are quiet, others are hidden, and some are just strange. Today, let's uncover another hidden side of Japanese culture. The mystery of Japanese body odor. Have you ever noticed something unusual while walking in Japan? Even in crowded trains, you rarely smell strong body odor. Is it genetics? Is it cultural habits? Or both? In many Western countries, deodorant is a daily must. But in Japan, some people don't even use it. Why is that? Isn't sweat the same everywhere? Let's take a closer look at this cultural mystery. Before we begin, here's a question for you. Do you think body odor is a natural part of being human? Or something we should eliminate completely? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's dive into the science and culture of body odor in Japan. What is body odor? Understanding the science. Body odor doesn't come from sweat itself. Sweat is mostly water, and water doesn't smell. So where does the smell come from? It starts when sweat meets bacteria on your skin, especially sweat from apocrine glands under your arms. This sweat is thicker, full of proteins and fats. Bacteria love it, and they break it down. That's when the smell begins. Everyone has sweat glands, but not all are the same. Some people have more apocrine glands than others. Here's something to think about. If sweat doesn't smell, why do some people smell more than others? It's not just about hygiene. It's about biology, diet, and even your genes. The genetic factor a real difference in sweat glands. Here's something fascinating about genetics. Around 98% of East Asians have a special gene mutation. This mutation reduces the number of apocrine sweat glands. That means less protein-rich sweat under their arms. Less sweat, less food for bacteria, less body odor. In contrast, over 97% of Europeans have the smelly gene. That means more apocrine glands, and more odor potential. It's not about good or bad. It's just genetic diversity. Even earwax can reveal your gene type. Dry earwax often means fewer odor glands. Wet earwax often means more. Isn't it amazing that something like earwax can tell this story? Now here's a question. Would you want to know if you carry the smelly gene? Earwax and body odor, the surprising link. Let's talk about something strange. Earwax. Yes, your earwax can tell a story about body odor. There are two types of earwax, dry and wet. Dry earwax is common in East Asia, especially Japan and Korea. Wet earwax is more common in Europe, Africa, and the Americas. The gene that controls earwax also affects sweat glands. People with dry earwax usually have fewer apocrine glands. That means less chance of strong body odor. This connection surprised many scientists. It shows how one gene can affect many parts of the body. Now, here's a question for you. Did you know that earwax type changes by region and race? Have you ever checked your own earwax type? Bath culture, a daily habit that keeps smell away. In Japan, taking a bath is more than just washing the body. It's a daily ritual, a way to relax and reset. Most people bathe every night, not just shower. They wash first, then soak in warm water for 10 to 30 minutes. This habit removes sweat, oil, and dead skin every day. It leaves the body clean and odor-free. In many countries, daily baths are not common. Some people shower quickly or skip a day. But in Japan, skipping a bath feels uncomfortable. Now, here's a question for you. How often do you bathe or shower in your country? Is it more about hygiene or about comfort and culture? Share your bathing habits in the comments. It's fun to learn from each other. Cleanliness and social pressure, cultural norms. In Japan, being clean is more than personal choice. It's part of social etiquette, and even silent pressure. People are expected to look, smell, and feel clean. Dirty clothes, messy hair, or body odor are often frowned upon. Children learn this from a young age at home and in school. Even in crowded cities, people rarely smell bad. That's not just hygiene, it's cultural behavior. You clean yourself not only for you, but for others. Now here's a question for you. Do people in your country care about how others smell? Is body odor a personal issue or a social responsibility? Food and diet. How what you eat affects your smell. What you eat doesn't just affect your health. It also changes how your body smells. Foods high in fat, meat, or dairy can increase body odor. Spicy food and garlic also make sweat smell stronger. In Japan, the traditional diet is light and simple. It includes rice, fish, vegetables, and fermented foods like miso. These foods don't cause strong body odor. They help keep the body clean from the inside out. Less meat, less oil, less smell. In recent years, more Japanese people eat Western-style meals. This change may be increasing body odor slowly. Food isn't just fuel. It's a part of our scent. Public spaces and scent etiquette. In Japan, smell is part of good manners. Even a pleasant scent can be considered too strong. Perfume and cologne are used carefully and lightly. Wearing a strong fragrance in public may bother others. In offices and schools, scent-free is the silent rule. Even fabric softeners with strong smells are avoided. Deodorants in Japan focus on neutralizing odor, not adding fragrance. This reflects the idea of not disturbing others. In crowded trains, small rooms, or elevators, scent control matters. Being considerate with smell is a form of respect. You clean yourself not to stand out, but to blend in. This subtle awareness shapes everyday Japanese behavior. Changing trends are Japanese people smelling more. Japan's scent culture is changing. Western-style meals are now common in daily life. More meat, dairy, and oil can affect body odor. Busy lifestyles also mean quicker showers, not long baths. Younger generations use less traditional soap and more body sprays. Imported deodorants with strong scents are gaining popularity. At the same time, air-conditioned rooms dry the skin, making natural sweat more noticeable. Work-from-home habits may reduce social pressure to stay fresh. Some people say, Japan is starting to smell a little more. Still, compared to many countries, it remains very subtle. But the change is the required, but real. What we can learn from Japan's scent culture. Why do Japanese people smell less? The answer is not simple. It's a mix of biology, diet, lifestyle, and culture. Less apocrine glands mean fewer odors. Daily bathing removes sweat and skin oils. Simple meals reduce odor from within. Social pressure keeps people mindful of scent. It's not about being better, it's about being different. Japan teaches us that scent is not just personal. It's a part of how we live with others. By understanding these differences, we can better appreciate other cultures. This is just one example of Japan's unique way of thinking. Do people in your country do the same, or is it completely different? Drop your thoughts below. I read every comment. And if you liked this, subscribe for a new video every day. See you tomorrow at the same time.